Yeah, the birds that fly free around.
Okay, that's cool.
That's what this part is for.
That is until they kill us.
Oh, please.
What? I've seen the birds. I know what's going to happen.
But yet you walked in here.
I didn't say I was smart. I just said I knew what was going to happen.
Well, if you want to see what time it is, they're all down here.
Where?
In the literature.
Down there? Okay.
You know, if you want to read about them.
Okay. These are the birds that are going to kill us.
Okay.
See the bird up there? Look right there. Right there. Sean, you see it? Right there, Sean? Definitely switching.
Where? That one right there?
Birds up there?
There we go. Now, one thing I've never really understood,
What's that?
and this is just me being me, but if I were to film a zombie movie, I think one of the best places to do it would be in a zoo.
There you go.
Again, that's just me. Prehensile-tailed porcupine. I've seen better.